Hello children. Welcome to the farmhouse. Some animals are kept on the farm to help us. Let's look at the farm animals together. This is a dog. The dog guards the farm. This is a cow. The cow gives us milk. This is a goat. The goat eats grass. This is a horse. The horse runs fast and helps us. This is a sheep. The sheep gives us wool. This is a donkey. The donkey carries loads. Now look near the water. This is a duck. The duck swims in water. This is a hen. The hen gives us eggs. This is a duckling. The baby duck swims with its mother. Farm animals help us in many ways. Say with me, thank you, farm animals. Very good, children.